Thanks for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos.
Hey folks, Dan Ryan again. For this episode, we're going to be looking at another Firefly. This is a Firefly Les Paul copy. FFLPS is their designation for their Les Paul copies. I think Leo said this had a kind of yellowish finish. We'll see.
Yellowish but flamed maple.
Yeah.
So
Nobody's here has seen it yet, so
nope.
We can all be surprised together.
And this was a replacement that they sent me for the blue one that we did. You're going to have to cut the tape on the inside. That's strange.
Yeah. Want to make sure you get lots of little pieces of styrofoam to pollute your environment. Never seen a guitar that was taped better on the inside of the box than the outside of the box. First time for everything, I guess. Practice knife safety. So, once again, the case candy is a cord and at least one Allen wrench. I think that's it. Sorry.
And they're tighter than the frog behind. And that's watertight. If I had bought it, it would have been $229. But they sent it as a direct replacement for the blue one, which I paid $189 for.
Oh, okay.
And
so to you, $189.
Right.
Anybody else, $229.
Yeah, they sent it to me. They gave me 3 different choices. This one, the same style guitar in an orange instead of yellow, and a pink one. Yeah. And I don't think you're going to see a pink guitar on this channel unless it's free.
Well, okay, so it is flame top. It's very heavy. I mean, this sucker is as heavy as a real Les Paul for sure. All gold hardware, bound top and bottom, and the neck is bound, and the headstock is bound. So some very nice details for a $229 or $189 guitar. It is, I don't know if you can see what the finish looks like. Let
me zoom in on that.
I'm still deciding how much I like it. I do like it, and I generally like green guitars. This kind of the top here kind of lends itself towards the green. this binding is a 5-ply binding around the edges. Some really nice details on this guitar. Nice block inlays on the neck.
Are the frets rolled?
Yes, they are. And I like the fact that the binding is kind of antique. You know, not bright white, but so.
But old yeller.
Yeah. Whoever did the design on this guitar did a nice job. And you can see the headstock. It's got the inlay, kind of like the Gibson inlay, Firefly there. And I guess this says Elite.
Right. And they also have this same design in an orange and red.
Yeah.
And, you know, it looks basically the same, only orange and red, so.
Yeah, well, I think you made a good choice when you picked this finish. This is a very attractive finish. The neck, do you know what the body's made of?
Mahogany.
Yeah, I would think so, because this sucker is really heavy.
I actually think it's the mahogany neck as well.
Yeah, I was going to say, but the back of the neck is completely, you know, painted, which isn't my favorite, but you know, it's certainly not a disqualifier. But just even the pick guard has 5-ply. So this is a very nice guitar. Multiple ply binding along the back too.
And it's got Grover style tuners, very close to Grover tuners, but
yeah,
not locking, right?
no.
Okay. And it is a rosewood fretboard.
Very nice. So there you have it. Firefly FFLPS.
FFLPS.
FFLPS. Les Paul copy. And we're going to tune it up and hear how the pickups sound and do our normal course of business. I can't get over how heavy this is. So we'll be back in a minute, and don't go away. Hey folks, Dan Ryan again. Today we're looking at this Firefly Les Paul copy, FFLPS, and we've looked at the appearance and checked out the finish. Everything is really, really nice on this guitar. Really nice details for a guitar that cost somewhere in the neighborhood of $200. So first things first, before we check out the pickups, we'll do the board C and E. Hunter, here you go. It's pretty good. Rang for quite a while.
Same thing?
Yeah, it's weird.
I don't think that's the guitar. I think it happened with the Asmias as well.
Well, what's strange is that you get quite a bit of hum somewhere that's off, okay? So, and that's like 10 to 20%. And then as you get towards 80%, it kind of stays at a constant level. Then when you get 100%, it goes away. Don't ask me to explain that, but
no.
I'm sure one of our subscribers will have an opinion. Whether it's correct or not, I don't know, but they'll certainly have it. Let's listen to the pickups. We've tuned this up 3 times already. So let's see. So here is the neck pickup. That's pretty darn dark there. We haven't changed anything from the telly we looked at just a minute ago. So, and here is both pickups. So still pretty dark. And here is the bridge pickup.
Finish on that guitar is just growing on me.
Yeah, it's pretty guitar. The action is very nice, even. You know, this could probably be addressed just with your rig, your amp, or your effects unit, but just you know, just on a basic patch like this, it sounds to my ears a little bit dull. So if you're a modder, a pickup swap might be something that you would want to think over. They're not bad at all, but they just sound a little underpowered, a little dull to me. But I'm just one guy, so everybody can make up their own
Well, let's
mind.
see what they sound like when you're playing the track.
Yeah. Yeah, and well, we will do.
They have a habit of redeeming themselves at that point.
Well, yeah, I do, I guess, get kind of involved in the tune a lot of times. So there you have it. That's the pickups, and we're going to tune up one more time and figure out something to play for you, and we'll be right back. Thanks. Hey folks, Dan Ryan. Today we're looking at this Firefly Les Paul copy, the FFLPS, and in a beautiful
Yellow flame maple
top, and in all its glory. So we've tried the pickups, we've done all the other stuff. So right now we're just going to play a tune for you, and this one is from Sebastian Zunino, who we played some of his tracks in the past, and this is just called Southern Rock Backing Track in G. And it's really not in G, it's in D, but don't tell Sebastian I said so. So here we go.
couldn't tell it from this end.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of what we aim for. Is to, when people compliment me anymore, I just say, well, I'm just trying not to suck. So it is definitely a very pretty guitar. And if the pickups were the only thing that you wanted to change about it, it would certainly end up being a pretty nice investment for, say, maybe another $100 or something. But it's just can't get over how heavy this sucker is. Good thing they aren't selling it by the pound, because I don't think you could afford it.
Well, if you're going to buy one, just make certain your gym membership is paid up.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, they have these guitar straps now. They're called something like weightless guitar straps. They're supposed to like distribute the weight of a heavy guitar better, but no matter what kind of guitar strap you have, it might help a little bit, but it's not going to make the guitar any lighter. So if you're going to hold it up for four hours a night standing up, yeah, you might get a sore shoulder every once in a while. So anyway, that's it for this guitar today. I'm Dan Ryan. Leo Ryan's behind the camera as usual. We hope you will like and subscribe Click the bell icon to be notified of our future videos. And that's it for today, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.